Biker, summer is on its way and so I am looking for some handloom garment for me and my family as well. A one-stop shop. So here we are at Weaver Bird at Chembur East. Come, let's have a look.
Weaver Bird. The name grabbed my attention. It reminded me that this bird is well known for their elaborately woven nest. Well, so I decided to ask the owner how they relate the name.
My name is Priyanka Valanju and we started this store in October 2008 and we came about with this name Weaver Bird because if you know the bird, it makes very intricate nests. So we could relate to that concept and bring it into our business. And we at Weaver Bird are trying to promote the weavers of India, which is also a dying craft.
They traveled to the interiors of India to source raw material with the aim of promoting traditional weaver craft of the country. These raw materials are then embellished and sewed into unique patterns to create superior comfort clothing.
We have, like I said, handloom kurtas, block printed, silks. There's jackets that are the inside-out jackets where you can wear them both sides. One side print, one side plain. So a customer is actually buying two jackets for the price of one. Then we have western wear. We have dresses, short dresses, casual wear which you can wear, for an outing. There are wraparound skirts in block prints, kalamkari, in handloom. There are short tops. There are short skirts. Our dupattas are all variants. We have the dhabu, we have kota silk, kota cotton. We have the kantha work. There is the Mangalgiri jari border. There are dupattas which are hand painted with madhubani on it. And you have the mal print cotton dupattas that are slightly on the lower range, which can be used as stoles also. During summer if you want to wear it as a stole. You have the ikat dupattas which are from South Andhra. And these are the kantha work, patchwork dupattas that do well during the festive season. And these are the crushed cotton dupattas, which are ideal for a daily wear.
Actually, this time I came because I wanted to pick some dupattas for myself and some friends of mine who I wanted to gift.
My name is Vidya. I stay in Chembur, very close to where the store is. And I've been buying products from Weaver Bird for the last 3 years. I keep coming back, whether there's an offer or not, because their products are exceptional. Very competitive, very innovative. Their kurtis, their designs think very well, and they think differently from the other leading brands which generally people buy from. So there's a different mark here.
At Weaver Bird, traditionally woven fabrics are transformed into exquisite apparel, designed with a contemporary aesthetic appeal for men's, women's, and even kids.
We have handloom products, which is in the form of ladies, women's wear, kids wear, men's wear. For kids, we have kurta, pajamas. Boys, we have the kurtas. And for girls, there are these brocade work ghagra cholis, handloom block printed also ghagra cholis, and kurtas, salwar kurtas. We have a men's shirt, full sleeve shirts, half sleeve shirts. We have long kurtas, short kurtas, super short kurtas.
I visited the fort on many occasions. I've always come here with my wife. I think she's encouraged me to pick up a kurta or two, and I might have picked up a kurta or two earlier for myself. This time I'm here to probably pick up a kurta for a friend who wears a lot of ethnic wear. It's very nice. It's a light cotton wear.
They also have accessories like earrings, bangles, bags, which are again made up of eco-friendly materials. They also have silk files, which definitely adds to your style statement.
Like I said earlier, mentioned earlier, we have garments which are of vegetable dyes. So we kind of bring that vegetable dyes even into our jewelry accessory section. So bangles over here, these are wood with hand painted, and these are also wooden, but they are all vegetable dyes. So you won't find them in blues and blacks. You'll get them in reds, greens, rust, because that's the color you get in vegetable dyes. These earrings over here are light wood earrings, which are also hand painted, very intricately hand painted. This over here are beads done by our staff Deepak. This particular earring is a dried pumpkin earring, which is like doing very well. So something with it goes with the eco couture. So we extend that, as the name suggests. We extend it to a lot of our subcategories products in the store.
Hi, my name is Ahana and I have come here with my Didi to buy earrings. The earrings are very beautiful.
The bags and the jholas and the laptop bags that you see, they are all out of the wastage fabric that gets done when we stitch a garment. So there is always these chindi pieces that you say. So that gets stitched by a group of local women in our area. So we kind of then help them in their financial security. So we give them the stuff to stitch. They come up with their patterns and styles. They like it because if you're wearing a plain kurta and you have a printed jhola or a printed bag, so it complements and it's an extension of what you're wearing.
Not only this, Weaverbird also have a home decor section where you find bed sheets, cushion covers, fridge magnet made up of ceramic and many other antiques which adds to the beauty of your home.
Yeah, we also have a small home store section which caters to bed sheets that is single, double, out of patchwork fabric, picut, block prints, and there are these curios out of clay and fridge magnets also out of clay. There are coasters out of jute with small animal iron figurines on it. We also have cushion covers that are out of leftover fabric, so you get the patchwork kind of look. The pots over here are again light wood, hand painted, which is, if you notice, everything is handmade. There's a handmade element in every product in our store.
Actually, I'm first time coming here, to be very honest, and I see a very beautiful range here of the bags and interior decor. I mean, I would like to go for something which is ethnic and Indian. That's what we are. So I guess, that's what we need to show in our house. So I guess you see a lot of, ethnic stuff out here and really great stuff which you can use it at home. Some of it I've been picking up from here, and I don't mind picking up this kind of bags which are really cool, and we can stuff some more stuff as for the daily use.
They ensure that every garment is made of natural fabrics that utilizes the earth's resources in an eco-friendly manner.
Our customers are very, of late they're getting very eco-conscious, and so they kind of relate to these products that we have, and they're willing to spend that little extra, to get that feel of earth.
Yeah, I'll definitely suggest customers and my friends to pay a visit here.
I would say please come because it's our local store. I'm very proud of Chembur, so it's my local store and I would love to shop here. And I know that most of this is done by a craftsman, and the work, the money that they raise goes back to those people.
Sure, obviously, why not? As you can see, I'm picking up stuff, so I will surely.
Exquisite and detailed weaving for comfortable living. I really liked it. I hope you liked it too. We'll be back next time with lots of other style statements and fashion panda only for you. Till then, keep watching City First because Style of Mumbai lives here.